Hello everyone, here Eu in a new podcast. Today we want to talk about which GoPro material and accessories I am using for my adventure. So, during my training I've been testing different cameras, as you can imagine. The purpose and the needs basically are that they're gonna be a camera that's gonna be resistant, that for sure, waterproof if it's possible, that gonna have some applications that gonna help me to play with the videos and edit all the material that I'm gonna stay creating. So have to be something up to date as well with the new needs. I've been testing, and what I bought a few weeks ago is the GoPro 12, and I am really happy about it. So I recommend you to invest. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, I can totally understand, but it's a good investment. Sometimes we have to spend a bit more if we want to get quality, and my girlfriend has GoPro the 4 already, all one, and it's still working well. So I think that if you go to my channel and in the different list that is called Walks in la Reunión, you're gonna be the quality, and you can check the quality of the GoPro 4. As you can see, it is really good. The only difference with the new ones is about the settings, is about the quality of the materials. For sure, after 8 years, everything changes, everything evolves, but the quality is quite good. The only thing is stabilization. In the GoPro 4 was moving everything. In this one, thanks to technology, everything goes smooth, and the vibrations and everything, really GoPro has worked on it, and there is really good results. So let me explain you. We talk about the camera. I'm using the GoPro 12. Also, one of the advantage of buying it is because have a lot of plugins, a lot of possibilities depending your needs and your sport. For me, it's walking, but gonna be interesting for all those people as well that gonna run or have to do different videos for long activities. The battery, by the way, in GoPro, with a setup that is standard, I would say that is quite similar, that the one that they are configuring in the beginning is around 1 hour, around 15 minutes of recording with one battery. So then the possibility is to stop the video, buy another battery, or the plan B. What I am doing, and this is a tip for all of you, nobody's explaining us, but this is the key. Look, it's a USB pass-through door. Basically, in one of the laterals of the GoPro 12, we have to stay opening and closing to have a look the battery, and the possibility to charge. Is a waterproof camera. It means that the water cannot pass through to the camera, to the insides, obvious, but thanks to this the door, what gonna be possible is that during our videos we can charge it at the same time. What I was doing is, without this magic thing, is removing the door, and then I was connecting my my battery, my external battery. Yes, the thing is that it's not really safe to have all the camera open, obviously, when it's raining, when it's the weather really bad, windy, dust can enter and can damage your camera, and we don't want that. So this is a really excellent possibility that I recommend all of you. And now I'm gonna be able to do walks 3, 4, 5, 6 hours without problem, connecting my power bank directly with the camera, and then I don't have to stop, remove the battery, put it a new one, spin it in a new battery, all of this extra cost with this, and it's not really expensive. I always buy in GoPro. It's true that sometimes it's expensive, that this is the reality. I know that on the market there are different platforms that offer sets of 50 plugins and 50 possibilities for really cheap. I don't recommend it. I have it, I test it, and sometimes when we expect that something gonna float with the yellow globe, doesn't float, or is broken, or after a week with the sun is melting. All the anchorages, all the things to include the camera with all these plugins sometimes are not working. The quality of the plastic is not really good, it's not really strong, or with a bit of humidity, a couple of days, with a bit of pressure, it's getting broken. So I don't want surprises on my journey, and I invest a bit more, and what I can say based on my experience that is going to really good. So if you have some important goal in your life and you want to guarantee that everything goes smooth, please have a look the possibilities and the discounts in GoPro website and go for it. Yes. Second thing that I bought today, really cool, a bag, GoPro bag. Yes, but it's not just that. By the way, it's waterproof, it's really light, so I'm happy with it. But the important thing is inside. As you could see in my previous videos, I am recording using my chesty. Is the best option. I test the wrist, I test the possibility to put it as well here when I attach to my backpack. Well, one of the things that we want is that the camera is not moving much for the stabilization purposes, and for the quality of the video I really recommend the chesty. No exception, no other possibilities. It's not heavy at all. As you can see, the qualities are really strong. It's not heavy at all. This is when you are sweating also, you're not getting cold in this part. Adjust really good, and it's not too expensive. I think that this and the one that I'm gonna explain you later was around 40-45 euros with discounts. So it's totally worth it, and it's the option that I am using on my videos. You can have a look in my training walks in La Reunión or in the Haag, that I'm editing videos where I am working with really nice musics. Yes, at Euklyptus. Remember and subscribe to all my channels, because then you support me to continue doing this. And soon gonna happen something really cool. My adventure going from here to the Haag until Finisterre is going to start really soon, and many fun content gonna happen. So please keep you subscribe and like all my videos, because and then I have a sign of all of you that I am in the right direction. Yes, thank you. What I was saying, chesty, in all my videos I put it usually in this high between the face that will not touch the camera and will not have problems. Also, we don't want that gonna appear our camera sometimes and recording parts of our face, not at all. And then I think that this is perfect. Yes, a bit high, 1.80 centimeters, and this is good, getting a good view of what is happening in front of me. This is how I record the videos. And the second thing that I wanted to say in the podcast is that I bought and I invest in this one as well. This one as well is to fix it to a bar. Basically, it's for those people that has motorcycle, have bikes, that is cycling. I live in Den Haag, in the Netherlands. Here everyone has a bike, and it's the everyone sports, the daily sport that everyone does. And I think that is a good investment as well. One of these days I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna create a video where I can show you as well the effectiveness of this. As you can see, the anklage is really steady, is with good materials, and yes, it can broke, yes, definitely, everything can be broken, but in my opinion, with all the original stuff that I'm buying directly in GoPro, the quality is really good, and I didn't have any surprise. Last thing that I wanted to show with you that I bought in GoPro for all this adventure, for all my films, is this, a Plan B set. This also we can buy it in the GoPro website. This, for the people that doesn't know, the company GoPro goes like this, attached, and here gonna be the GoPro like this facing you, and then here you put it like this, and gonna be like this, something like this. I bought Plan B because, based in previous experiences with bad quality, this also is something that can be broken really easily. The idea that had GoPro to add this plastic that makes the stronger stabilization and fixing the GoPro is something really cool, but my advice is get another set ready when you're going out, because it's something that in the moment that you are preparing for filming a specific scene or anything can be broken as well, and then what's happened? That we cannot continue with our videos. So these are my recommendations. I hope are useful for you, and basically this is all the stuff that I am using to record it, and hopefully you got some tips about how to do it, and what is the best way and the best materials. Okay, I wish you the best in all your adventures. Have a good day. Take care.